Meteorologist Dean Davis, no weather pros. Time for a weather update, the 3rd of December, 2018, and it's around 3:30 p.m. Current conditions, we see a little bit of snow here around the Chicagoland area. West snow, not much going on there. A little bit up through the far northeastern areas. Cold air trying to sink in to the area. We'll see some snow around Pittsburgh, possibly some also tonight and early tomorrow around western Maryland and the mountains, and we may see some actual snow flurries, snow showers come across the Roanoke Valley. Nothing incredible. That'll also possibly go across parts of Virginia. Then we're going to set up for the next storm, and that's when it's going to get interesting. See this little streak here? That's going to set up this storm right here to move into the area and cause hectic issues for the weekend. As you see, it starts out in the west. It actually starts out in the Midwest. Strong severe thunderstorms here, snow to the north. This whole area is sinking into place. Continuing on. This storm continues to the east. And what it's going to do is going to run into a lot of cold air. When that happens, we're going to see turn over to snow. And then make the turn likely to go up the coastline. So right now we're looking at, let's see, Saturday. This is actually going a little further south. I'm not sure I really agree with this. I think it's going to be more north. There'll be more moisture to play with, and we're going to see some good, decent snow anywhere from southwest Virginia south. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. Like I said, there's many days to change, but like I said, the storm will be there. So we're going to watch it closely, and that could bring some significant snow totals. Let's take a look and see if we can find another model that we can look at here. I like looking at multiple models. It's easier to figure things, and like I said, this is more close to Euro. Look at that deep, thick snowfall here in the Roanoke Valley, and it just and this is more where I see this storm being than currently the current GFS has it. This would be a significant snowstorm for the East Coast. Looks like a lot of rain possibly in southern New Jersey, but it would change over to snow. That's the thing. This is more on what I'm seeing. Let me see if I can find one more to back anything else up. We'll move over. What's the Euro look like? How's it handling low? Where's the low placement? That's important too. We take a look at all the models to do that, and that low placement is just where that Canadian model placement was. So it agrees with Canadian a little more than the GFS currently, and that would put a lot more snow in the east. So we'll go back to the Canadian, and we'll show what their snowfall rates are looking like. I look for to see some decent snow no matter what. At least a couple inches if it goes with this rate. Let's see. Let's pull over total snow accumulation map, and we'll probably go closer in. So, like I said, this is the Canadian, and it's following the Euros pattern. And you will see it shows a good amount of snow in the area. We can't rely on one model, but majority of the models are going this route. And that would put anything from 15 to 25 inches right along the 81 corridor, including Roanoke, Smith Mountain Lake, Lynchburg, and even heavier snow mounts up to New Jersey and Philadelphia. So, Canadian to Euro, they're following this. GFS is a little bit less. I would say that the GFS is probably showing somewhere between the 1 and 3 inches the last couple runs. 2 to 5. So we have a 2 to 5 and a couple that are showing major snow. So either way we look at it, it looks like we're going to have some snow this weekend setting up. It's just exactly who gets the strongest amount of snow. And we'll keep an eye on that for you and update you throughout the week. Meteorologist Dean Davis, thanks for watching.